3, 4. How to play the intro to Dance Dance by Fall Out Boy. Emo classic. So, I'm playing this / writing this out as a 2-bar phrase. Don't worry if that makes no sense whatsoever. But this means that your snare drums are going to be falling on 2 and 4, and they're going to be flams. So one stick all the way up, the other stick halfway up, drop them. So you get a bit of a delay. Sounds very nice. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is kind of the framework we can do the bass drum pattern within. So first bass drum on 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second bass drum on the and of 2. So after that first bass drum. 1, 2, and. 2, 3, 4. The next bass drum is on the and after that other and. 1, and. And then you got a big long gap before you got 2 quick bass drums on 3 and the end of 3. Yes. 1, 2, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1. And there you have it. If the bass drum technique is too quick for you, which I'm not surprised, it is pretty speedy, then check out the video on YouTube I've done about bass drum speed if you want to. I just haven't got the time to explain it here. But the Cliff Notes version is, if you imagine this is your pedal, this is your foot, you want to get the first note with your toes, and then as you're dropping the weight of your leg like you normally would through the ball of your foot, that's your second note. So da-dum, dum, dum, that, that, dum, dum, that, that. Hopefully that makes sense. Either way, have a good day. Mwah.